Good day, students. Thanks for joining today's class. Today we're considering evaluation with expression in standard form. Leave your answer in standard form. When you are told to leave your answer in standard form, follow the instruction strictly, please. Because some students, when they are asked to solve this type of question, to evaluate it in standard form, or you see them pressing calculator and put down the answer might just be awarded half mark. You lose a lot of marks. Make sure you express the steps, analyze the steps down before getting to the final answer. Now, I will show you how to solve it by following the steps systematically. Please let's listen attentively. You have to evaluate the cube root of 0.0024 times 35,000 divided by 0.0105. When this one comes out in your theory, you have to solve it systematically. Now, I want to break it down in such a way that you limit the rate at which you use calculator. You analyze, change everything, all the numbers to standard form, both the decimal and the number without decimal. When you are moving from left to right, the power will be in negative form. The power will be in negative form. But when you are moving from right to left, the power will be in the positive form. I will show you what I'm trying to say. Now, and when you are shifting, you shift to the point at the point in which you will be able to divide normally. Try to eliminate decimal when you are shifting. Okay, let's see. When you are shifting, try to eliminate decimal from your number. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 24 times 10 raised power minus 4 because I'm moving from negative, yes, from left, I'm moving from left to the right. That's why I put down minus 4. When you're moving from left to the right, when you're shifting, your power will be negative. Okay? And I shifted 4 times, that's why I put minus 4 times, let's come to the second part, 35,000. 1, 2, 3. I shifted to this one because I can easily look for a number that can go in 35. That is 35 times 10 raised to power 3 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 105 times 10 raised to power minus 4. At this junction, we can start our division. 5 in 10, 2, 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 37, 7. 7 here, 1. 7 here, 3. Let's write it down so that, write it separate, another way, in a separate place so that it will not be too rough. Now it will be equals to cube root of 24 times 10 raised to power minus 4 times 1 times 10 raised to power 3 divided by 3 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Now 3 here 1, 3 here 8. Now I have it to be equals to cube root of 8 times 10 raised to power minus 4 times 1 times 10 raised to power 3 divided by 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Please take note, when you are writing your cube root, make sure it covers the whole number. Is that okay? So you can see my own cube root gets to the denominator. Okay? Now, another one, what needs to take note now is that let's collect the like terms. The like term, let it be together to be equals to 8 times 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4 times 10 raised to power 3 divided by 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4, which is equals 8 times 1, that is 8. Please don't forget your cube root. Okay, 8 times 1, that's 8 times, I want to use 10 to represent the two 10, but when I'm raising them to power, the multiplication will change to addition. That in the law of indices, that's part of the law of indices. But if it is division at the power, you put negative. Okay, 10 raised to power minus 4 because of multiplication plus 3 divided by 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4, which is equals to cube root of 8 times 10 raised to power minus 4 plus 3, that's minus 1, divided by 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, now it will be equals to, let's separate them, 8 divided by 1, let it be in one side, times 10 raised to power minus 1 over 10 raised to power minus 4. You now have it to be equals to the cube root of 8 divided by 1, that's 8, times 10 raised to power minus 1. Division stand as negative, minus, I want to use 1/10 to represent the 2. We have another negative 4 here, minus 4. Don't forget that uh, you put brackets so that you now say negative and negative will give you positive. Now it to be equals to cube root of 8 times 10 raised to power minus 1. Negative and negative as positive 4. Now be equals to cube root of 8 times 10 raised to power minus 4 minus 1 plus 4, that's 3. Okay, at this junction, let's try to separate them. I want to analyze the two. Now, this cube root is for 8 and 10 raised to power 3. Now, cube root of 8 multiplied by cube root of 10 raised to power 3. Don't forget that there's 1 here. Also, there's 1 here. That is, you can express it like this. 8 raised to power 1 over 3, same thing as cube root of 8. The same thing with what you have here. Now, the cube root of 8 is 2. It means that what can you multiply together 3 times that will give you 8? It's 2. Because 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. You now pick 1, 2. Now it to be equals to 2, okay, raised to power 1, that is here, times 10 raised to power 3 is 3 times 1 over 3. 3, 3 1, 3 1. Don't forget that 2 raised to power 1 is the same as 2 times 10 raised to power 1. 1 times 1, 1 divided by 1 is 1. You have to leave your answer in standard form, which is this, 2 times 10 raised to power 1. This 10 raised to power 1 is showing us that it's in standard form. When you work it like this, you get your full mark because you have analyzed each step accordingly. A layman person that doesn't know mathematics, may looking at the way you work it, will know that yes, you are a good student. Please make sure you always analyze your question appropriately. Each steps, let it be analyzed. Is that okay? Analyze each steps for clarity's sake. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.